Hello students, welcome back to this new session on mathematics, continuing on properties of Laplace transform. Here you need to find the value of the integrals, integration from 0 to infinity, cos 6t minus cos 4t divided by t dt. Now, if you just compare it with your given problems, in previous sessions only I have solved one problem if you remember, that is you work for the Laplace transform of cos at minus cos bt divided by t. If you remember it, you had solved it as log of root of s square plus b square divided by s square plus a square, if I am not wrong. Just go back to your previous session, you will find out the value of it, okay, just go back to your previous session. I have already solved for this. I am directly using it here, okay, without any of this. Just see that. See, what is the Laplace transform of cos 6t minus cos 4t divided by t using this formula. Okay, here the value for a, just see that the value for a is 6, value for b is 4. So it is what? Log of root of s square plus b square. B square value is 4, so it becomes 16 divided by s square plus a square, which is 6, so it becomes 36 here. Okay, directly you can write by applying that formula which I have done in my previous session. Okay, now as per the definition of this, what exactly the Laplace transform means here. The Laplace transform of cos 6t minus cos 4t divided by t, it is actually equal to integration from 0 to infinity e to power minus st and that bracket here, is it not? This we have also solved, type of it we have already solved on properties 1 and 2. This is on property 3. Okay, now if you just compare this with the given thing, just see everything is there except that exponential function. It refers to something, it gives you the value for s there. The value for s should be 0, because when s zeros, t can't be 0, t is a variable here. If t is 0, each term becomes 0 here. You cannot define it at all. The value for s should be 0, is it not? If s is 0, e to power 0 becomes 1. So why you are not getting any exponential term? So the value for s is 0 here. Okay, so if you just compare this with the given thing, you get the value for s. So therefore the integral value, integration from 0 to infinity, cos 6t minus cos 4t divided by t dt, it must be equal to, you are going to take this and replace s is equal to 0 in this. Okay, just put s is equal to 0, because we know the Laplace transform of this. Okay, and its value, it is defined, actually the Laplace transform is defined like this, and its value is equal to this. Now this will give you the value for this only when s is equal to 0. So put s is equal to 0 here. So log of s square plus 16 divided by s square plus 36, where s must be equal to 0. If you put s is equal to 0, it becomes log of root of s square, which is 0, 16 divided by 36, or it is log of 4 by 6 or log 2 by 3. So this is how you solve for this problem. Okay, so the evaluation, the value for, yes, I hope it is seen there. Yes, the value for that integration from 0 to infinity cos 6t minus cos 4t dt cos 4t divided by t dt should be equal to what? The same Laplace transform, but in that you have to put s is equal to 0. If you put s is equal to 0, this is what you result in. Okay, this is how you solve this type of problems. Okay, let us continue with one more problem on this. See here students, we have got one more problem, integration from 0 to infinity e to power minus at minus e to power minus bt divided by t dt. Okay, let us solve for this problem. Now to work for this problem, since we have not solved in previous session any kind, like in the previous problem we had seen it, okay, but here we have not done such a prior work to work for this problem directly. Now here I will first work for the Laplace transform of this given thing. Okay, let us work for the Laplace transform of the given thing. The Laplace transform of e to power minus at minus e to power minus bt divided by t, we have to work. Okay, so to work for this, first work for the Laplace transform of the numerator. Okay, now tell me what is the Laplace transform of e to power minus at minus e to power minus bt. It is first the Laplace transform of e to the power minus at. It is 1 divided by s plus a minus 1 divided by s plus b. Is it? Okay. By, yes. Now I want the Laplace transform of e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt divided by t. Now use your third property to write the solution for this. Now using the third property, it is integration from s to infinity. Now what is your f bar of s here? This is the given f bar of s. Okay, ds. It is integration from s to infinity, f bar of s ds. So it is integration from s to infinity. What is your f bar of s? It is 1 divided by s plus a minus 1 divided by s plus b. This into ds. Okay, now we have to work for, yes, what is integration of 1 divided by s plus a with respect to s? It will be log of s plus a. Similarly, what is integration of log 1 divided by s plus b? It is log of s plus b. Now this with limits from s to infinity. Now it is as good as writing log of u minus log of v, which is log of u by v. Use the properties of logarithms here. So it is log of s plus a over s plus b with limits from s to infinity. Now again you cannot put infinity here. I have always explained you, whenever it comes to infinity in such cases, what you have to do. You are going to take s common from both the numerator and the denominator and simplify it. Okay, take s common from the numerator of this numerator s plus a. So if you take s common from the numerator of s plus a, you have 1 plus a by s over, take s common from the denominator, 1 plus b by s you are left with. Now this s and this s will get cancelled. S is going from s to infinity again. Now if you put s as infinity, upper limit you can substitute now. See, if you put s as infinity, it is a divided by infinity here, and also it will be b divided by infinity. A divided by infinity is 0, b divided by infinity is also 0, right? So it becomes what? Log of 1 divided by 1, which is log 1. Let me take a bigger bracket here, which is log 1, right? So log 1 is 0, means upper limit is 0, minus the lower limit. You are putting s as s only. There is no change in the value for s. Okay, so you get s as s only there. So minus log of s plus a divided by s plus b divided by s. Or this s gets cancelled. You will have minus log of s plus a divided by s plus b. Or it is log of s plus b divided by s plus a, because of the negative sign here. Okay. Now once you get the solution like this, yes, we have got the solution for the Laplace transform of this thing. Okay. Now we are actually being asked to work for the integration from 0 to infinity, that part. Okay. Now by the basic definition of Laplace transform, 1 minute. Okay, by the basic definition of the Laplace transform, we know that Laplace transform of e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt divided by t, it is nothing but integration from 0 to infinity, e to the power minus st, this whole thing, dt. Is it? Now just compare this with that. Okay, you are actually working for integration from 0 to infinity, e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt divided by t. You are working for this. Now compare this integral with this into dt. Except e to the power minus st, everything is there. Okay. It means what? Once again s should be 0. S must be 0. From this to come to this, you must have s to be 0. Is it not? S must be 0. Means what? If you just put s is equal to 0 in the solution of the Laplace transform of this, yes, you get your solution. Its value is log of s plus b divided by s plus a, right? So you put s is equal to 0 in this. If s is equal to 0, you will have this integral turning this way. So log of b divided by a you get. This is the complete solution for this problem. I hope it is clear to you. In my next session, again I will continue with the Laplace transform of some important functions. Till then, thank you.